Welcome to St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management. This college is affiliated to Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak, and approved by All India Council for Technical Education. This video lecture is a part of series developed for online classes. Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Tripathi and I am working as an assistant professor at St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management since 2015. My areas of interest are data analysis and data visualization, which are recommended to be a data scientist. Logical Organization of Computer. It is a course in Maharshi Dayanand University for the BCA second semester. This course comprises of the flip-flops, registers, counters and memory circuits. So let's study about this course from the Unit 1. This video is of Unit 3. In this video we will learn about the secondary memory and input-output devices. Secondary memory. Secondary memory supplements the main memory. It is a permanent memory, that is, it stores the elements are retained till either they are removed. The programs that are stored on it are loaded into the main memory and are then executed. The first secondary memory is magnetic tape. Magnetic tape stores the data sequentially in blocks where gap between them is called the inter-block gap. Quarter-inch cartridge (QIC) tape drives can store more than 100 MB of data, and it has a plastic ribbon which is usually half-inch wide and 50 to 200 2400 feet long. Data is recorded in the form of tiny invisible or non-magnetized spots, that is 1 or 0. Storage capacity of a tape can be found from the formula, that is data recording density multiplied by the length of the tape. Data recording density is the amount of data that can be stored on a given length of a tape. It is measured in bytes per inch (bpi). It varies from 800 bpi to 77,000 bpi. Tape is divided into horizontal rows called the tracks or the channels and vertical columns called the frames. Load point marker shows the beginning of the usable tape, while the end of the reel marker shows the end of the usable tape. Floppy disk. Floppy disk is a circular plastic disk coated with a magnetically sensitive film. 3.5-inch disk can store up to 1.44 MB of data. It consists of manufacturer's label, user label, write protect notch, drive spindle hole in the disk and aperture in the jacket, through which the read-write head makes direct contact with the disk surface. Zip drive. It is a high-capacity floppy disk drive developed by Iomega Corporation. They are inexpensive and durable. They can hold 100 MB or 250 MB of data. It uses a single hard disk platter encased in a plastic cartridge. It is also called Bernoulli disk. Hard disk. Its surface is divided into circular concentric tracks, which is further divided into sectors. All tracks store same amount of data. Disk is mounted on a rotatory drive and a read-write head is moved to the desired track. It contains two or more vertically stacked platters whose set forms an imaginary cylinder. It can store more than 100 GB of data. optical storage devices. It is based on the laser technology. Laser is used to burn tiny holes on the surface of the disk. These holes are called pits, while plain surface is called the lands. The drive detects the light fluctuation caused by the holes and translate these into data. Storage capacity is measured by the formula number of sectors multiplied by number of bytes per sector. Rotation speed vary inversely with the radius. So if you are having an optical storage device, then you are going to use the laser technology to burn the hole on the surface. The number of the holes depicts the data on the drive. Compact disc or CD. Compact disc has 4 layers. Bottom layer is polycarbonate plastic which act as a glass base. Second layer is of reflecting material, that is aluminium. Third layer is a protective acrylic layer, and the fourth layer is a label layer in which you can write down the label of the CD. There are basically two types of compact disc available in the market, that is compact disc recordable and compact disc rewritable. In the compact disc recordable, that is CDR, it has a coating of temperature sensitive dye greenish color in. When the laser hits this dye, it changes the color and alters the dye's reflective properties. It is based on WORM, that is write once, read many times. Compact disc rewritable. They can be re-recorded several times by phase change technology. It changes the state of the silver, indium, antimony from amorphous to crystalline and vice versa based on the lighting effect. DVD-ROM disc. It stands for Digital Video Disc. It uses laser of shorter wavelength. Hence, it can store up to 17 GB of data and transfer data at a higher rate of about 12 Mbps. They can be burned on both sides and in layers, which increases the capacity. CMOS. It stands for Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. It is a special memory used to store essential startup configuration options such as the amount of memory installed in the computer, the time in the computer, date, etc. It can also track the time and the date. It requires a battery power. Input-output devices provide means of communication between a computer and the outer world. It is also known as peripheral devices because they can be attached or detached without disturbing the normal functioning of the computer. Input devices are used to enter data from the outside world into the primary storage. An output device supplies result of processing from the primary storage to the user. Some of the input devices are keyboard. In a keyboard, on pressing a key, an electronic signal is produced which is detected by the keyboard encoder. It detects which key is being pressed and then its corresponding binary code is sent to the computer. To change the meaning of the keys, codes are scanned and assigned meaning by the keyboard translator. There are basically two types of keyboard, QWERTY keyboard and Dvorak. Mouse. It is a pointing and selecting device which is displayed as the cursor on the screen. An optical mouse has LED, camera and a scrolling feature. The light detector sends the small area and cursor move correspondingly on the screen. You can point and click on the area. Light pen. It is a pointing device which selects an option from the menu on the CRT. It senses a position on the screen and sends programmed signal. It can also be used to draw graphics on the screen as well as write on the screen. Joystick. It has a spherical ball at its lower end and a controller at the top. It can be moved left, right, forward and backward direction. Digital joystick uses piezoelectric sensor to send signal on the button press. It is commonly used in playing games. Pointing stick. It looks like an eraser mounted on the small laptops. When lateral pressure is applied in any direction, then corresponding signal is sent. Trackpad. It looks like a window embedded on the laptops. One can slide or click on this window by his finger. Scanner. It is a flatbed scanner on which a page is placed and scanned by a sensitive light source. It represents a page in number of scan lines, each containing a matrix of dots. It improves data accuracy and increases the timeliness of the information processed. Example: flatbed scanner and handheld scanner. OMR, optical mark reader. It is used to read the answer sheet marked as a bubble by the pencil. If mark is present, the amount of reflected light is reduced and it is noted. Barcode reader. It scans for thickness and space between the various vertical lines on the items. Each barcode has 10 digits. Example: Universal Product Code (UPC) for the coding system. First 5 digits marks the manufacturer code, while the last 5 digits mark unique product code. MICR, Magnetic Ink Character Reader. It reads a character written by magnetic ink on the paper, normally used to check identification code on the banks. It supports only 14 symbols. Optical Character Recognition, that is OCR. It is a scanner equipped with a character recognition software that converts the bitmap images of the characters to ASCII codes. There are two standard OCR fonts, that is OCR-A, that is American Standard, and OCR-B, that is the European Standard. Now we have the output device like CRT. It represents the characters as they are typed by the keyboard. Example: Video Display Terminal (VDT). It produces colors by red, green, and blue phosphors, which is struck by the electron beam of varying density. It uses either raster scan or vector scan methods to draw the characters. Each dot in the picture is called the pixel. Example of CRT are cathode ray tube, flat bed and flat panel monitors like TFT, LCD and LED. Plotters. Plotter is used to produce precise and good quality vector graphics. It uses multicolor ink pens to draw the image on the rolled paper. Special purpose pens mechanically run over the paper making continuous lines. It is of four types: drum plotter, micro grip plotter, flat bed plotter and inkjet plotter. Electrostatic plotters use dry toner transfer process. Cutting plotters use knives to cut the piece of the paper. It is used in the card making and scrapbooking. Vinyl cutter is used to create posters, billboards, t-shirt logos, and car graphics. Static cutting table is used to cut non-rigid and porous materials like textile, leather, etc. Hence you can see that plotters are used to draw the graphics on any of the items like t-shirt, mugs, plates, etc. In this plotter there are very high good quality of the pens which can draw the graphics, or there are some knives which can cut the graphics on the paper. Another output device is printer. Printer provides the information in the permanent printed format. There are two types of printers: impact printer and non-impact printer. Inside the impact printer, it uses electromechanical mechanism that causes print head hammers to strike against the ribbon to print the text on the paper. Examples of impact printers are daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer, line printer, etc. It can do two color printing. Non-impact printers. There is no direct contact with the paper. It is used for fast printing. It has smooth and precise printing quality. Examples of non-impact printers are thermal printers, chemical printers, electrostatic printer, laser beam printers, and inkjet printers. Now, in the coming section of the video, we will learn about all of these printers. So let's start with the impact printer. The first impact printer is typewriter derived printer. In this, the letter form strike a ribbon which was pressed against the paper, printing one character at a time. Maximum speed is 15.5 characters per second. Example: Friden Flexowriter and IBM Selectric based printer. Daisy wheel printer. A hammer strikes a wheel with petals having a letter from at its tip, which in turn strikes a ribbon of ink, depositing the ink on the page. Its speed is 30 characters per second. Dot matrix printer is a flexible and they do not have the fixed characters font. It has small pins to transfer the ink on the paper. They can print text as well as the graphics. They are of two types: ballistic wire stored in a G printer. These are low cost and low quality printers. Line printers. They print entire line of text at a time. Its speed is 1100 lines per minute. They are of four types: drum printer, where it is a horizontally mounted rotating drum, carries entire character set. Example: IBM 1132. Chain printer. Character set is arranged multiple times around the linked chain. Example: IBM 1403. Bar printer. Character set is attached to a solid bar that moves horizontally along the print line. Example: IBM 1443. And comb printer. A comb of hammers prints a portion of the row of pixels at a time. Example: Printronix P7000. So as you can see that the impact printer has a ribbon or the ink which is being displayed on the page by either hammering the ribbon or by a drum rotation. Non-impact printer. Inkjet printers use multiple jets of inks propelling variable size droplets on the page. Thermal printers selective heat the regions of the heat sensitive paper. It uses special paper and different temperature or heating rates for different colors. Example, ZINK zero ink technology. Phase change printer. It uses solid sticks of CMYK, that is cyan, magenta, yellow and black color ink to candle wax, which are melted and fed into piezo crystal operated print head. This print head sprays the ink on a rotating oil based drum. The whole image is transferred by passing paper over this drum. Laser printers are page printers. The drum is coated with a negatively charged photoconductive material which, when struck by laser, becomes positive. It is of two types, right black or right white printer. Next output device is speaker. Speaker gives voice response when any sound is played. It converts digital signal into audio signals. Such systems are of two types: voice reproduction system, where outputs pre-recorded audio response, and speech synthesizers, which converts text information into spoken sentences. With this, we come to the end of today's video. Hope you have learned about the memory, that is a secondary memory, floppy disk, hard disk, zip drive, etc., and also some of the input and output devices. So questions for today's session are: you have to write about the magnetic and the optical storage devices. You have to briefly write about the 5 types of input devices. What is a printer, and explain the various types of printers. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have learned about the various input and output devices, as well as you have learned about the magnetic and the optical memory storage devices. Meet you in my next video session. Till then, goodbye and take care.